Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best circular saws with dust collection that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita 5057 kilobytes circular saw with dust collector. The Makita 5057 kilobits is a circular saw with a dust collector that has gained a vast reputation because of its snooty performance and works to cut hardy plank jobs. It is ideal for cutting hazardous material or medium and high-density fiber cement boards quickly. Its rigid aluminum base provides more excellent stability and accuracy while cutting. The powerful 13 amps motor gives clean and accurate cuts through 5/16" medium and high-density boards at once with an appropriate blade. Its bevel cutting offers various types of cuts from 0 degrees up to 45 degrees. Moreover, its rip fence for straight cuts and cutting capacity with up to 2 3/8 at 90 degrees and up to 1 3/4 at 45 degrees surprisingly delivers exceptional cutting capabilities. This 7-1/4" circular saw is designed to cut hazardous materials to reduce the amount of dust created while the cutting process runs. With a professional finish, the attaché's dust collector is ideal for a wet area to ensure a dust-free environment. Moreover, the new carbide-tipped fiber cement blade, hex wrench, rip fence, and guide rule 164,095-8 also makes the circular saw cutting process more effortless. Moving on at number 4, we have the Metabo HPT C7UR Ripmax Pro Circular Saw. The Metabo HPT Ripmax Circular Saw is one of the most muscular, fastest, and hardest working tools to cut quickly and smoothly through any piece of lumber, OSB, 2x FOS, LVL, plywood and other typical framing material in its path. This corded tool gets the award as the best corded circular saw overall in 2021 by Pro Tool Reviews because of its 40% faster power and speed, all-metal body, stamped aluminum base, and levers for added durability than previous models. At 6,800 no-load RPM speed with a powerful 15-amp motor, this muscular beast gives a professional angle cut through maximum depth of 90 degrees at 2 3/8 and 45 degrees at 1 27/32, clean and accurate cuts. An aluminum base easy-to-access bevel adjustment lever allows for 0 to 55 degree bevel cuts capacity at 0, 45, and 55 degrees. There's also a unique repositions cord hook to route the cord for cutting convenience. The wider trigger, comfortable and slim handle, is designed closer to the blade, which added comfortably, more balanced, and ergonomic feel during use. Dust blower function is ideal for a dust-free environment by clears the cutting path of dust and debris. Finally, 7-1/4 24T premium framing VPR blade, hex bar wrench for easier blade changes and carrying bag makes the store away onboard when needed. At number 3, we have the Vonhaus compact circular saw with dust collection. If you want portable mini circular saws with more power and excellent cutting precision, consider this Vonhaus compact circular saw for residential or commercial purposes. It has an electric motor of 5.8 amp that can produce 3,500 revolutions per minute speed, and with 4 24-tooth tungsten carbon-tipped pointed and sharp blades, it can slice through cut wood, PVC pipes, steel, aluminum, and ceramic tiles. It comes with an easy-to-set guide fence, depth adjustment of up to 1 at 45 degrees plus an angle adjustment for bevel cuts of up to 45 degrees that offer both efficiency and accuracy for precision cuts. We like the one-handed ergonomic design slim grip handle that makes it comfortable to hold and reduces fatigue. The left-handed blade design of this compact circular saw provides remarkable cut line visibility as you toil away. Moreover, the inbuilt dust collection vacuum adapter ideal for a dust-free environment. At number 2, we have the Enertwist cordless circular saw, Enertwist is a well-designed quality mini-circular saw best for working in tight spaces or cutting outdoors where the corded electric saw cannot reach. This battery-powered cordless circular saw can produce 3,500 revolutions per minute no load speed, and with 4-1/2-inch blades, it can slice through wood, soft metal, tile, drywall, plastic, and more in 2x/inch in a single pass with ease. Easy set depth gauge lever and adjustable cutting depth make it suitable for different materials according to your needs. In addition to that, the side guard and laser guide ensure fast, accurate cutting. The soft rubberized grip ergonomic design handle with integrated safety switch provides increased comfort, balance, and control. The left-handed blade design, battery protection circuit, the inbuilt dust port for dust vac hookup, and other extra features make this tool one of the most potent circular saws for home and commercial uses. And finally at number 1, we have the DEWALT circular saw with electric brake. The DEWALT DWE575SB is one of the compact, lightweight, and most stable circular saws in its class of the best circular saws with dust collection. This is the perfect product from forming concrete to framing and more because of its excellent suitability in a full range of cutting applications. A 15-amp, dual-field motor is rated at 1950 maximum watts out promises with a no-load speed of 5,100 RPM, can cut through anything you got down for it, but yet remains cool. This corded right-sided sidewinder has a 7-1/4-inch circular steel blade with 18 teeth, perfect for smooth cutting, optimal visibility, and comfortable gripping and balance. As for cut capacity, it is also equipped with a bevel up to 57 degrees, at 22.5 and 45 degrees detents, which is especially valuable for roofers cutting and framing around rafters to give optimal flexibility. Safety is a significant feature of DEWALT. The electronic brake to grind things integrated to an immediate stop the blade when needed. Included dust blower also helps to clear the cutting line from dust without worrying about having a mishap or having sawdust blown in your face. Additional features, including a dust blower, electric brake, and more makes this rugged and versatile circular saw extremely precise and easy to use in multitasking work. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.